W-H-Y.
W-H-Y.
Why? Why?
Y. Is that Y?
Hello, everyone. My name is Pterodactyl. I fly through the sky, and the word for today is why. This here is little Jordan. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And Jordan's going to spell the word why with me.
Eat it.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Little boys are so tasty. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, well, the word for today is why. Why do I flop my wings? Oh, please don't hit me, little boy. I'll be forced to thrash you. Okay, Jordan, it's time to spell why. Say W.
W.
H.
H.
Y.
I.
No, it's Y. Say W.
W.
W. H.
Y.
You have to say the H.
Oh.
Don't hit me. W.
H.
H.
Y.
Y. Very good. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. You gonna give me a hug?